It is February 1st, and my Dollar Tree has started to put out fairy garden items. There are so many cute items. You could also use these to add a lot of whimsy to a terrarium. I'll show you a close-up of each of the packages they have at my Dollar Tree. Yours may have different items and maybe even more than mine. This little set is so cute. I absolutely adore that little beehive. A package of 3 fairies. Some of them are sitting. And these are such adorable little teeny tiny fairies. And these 3 reminds me of the 3 fairies in Sleeping Beauty. So cute. These gnomes are so adorable. Look at those noses. They're cute and round and they stick out. Just absolutely adorable. I really like this set because the sign says garden. Too many of them say welcome. So I like that added change. Some more little signs. These are very cute. Here's a cute little arched gate. I don't believe the door opens. That's just permanently attached, but the little topiary next to it is so cute. And here is a tree stump with a face on it. And I know some people really like this. It's not my cup of tea, but that's really cute. I think this one's even cuter though with this elder face. So here we have a sign and a little path to add to your garden. And another little sign. I'm not sure what that is next to it though. Now this gnome really stole my heart, and this is coming home with me. I absolutely love this gnome swinging on a cherry tree. This little bench matches that tree so perfectly. I'm taking this home with me as well. They have several items so that you can create a beach theme or nautical theme fairy garden, and so many are absolutely adorable. I fell in love with that chair, and there are several different shell items to add to your little fairy garden. This little set here is so adorable. It has 2 little corals and a little bucket with sand. That's so dang cute. And how precious are these little sand castles? This would be such a cute addition to a little beach theme fairy garden. I also thought this little hula girl and the palm tree are adorable. They also had several little fairy garden houses that are beach themed and just absolutely adorable. Now here are just some fairy garden houses. A lot of them have a green rooftop, and there are several of these that I actually own and I purchased several years ago. And I have 2 videos of fairy gardens that I created with exactly some of these houses, and I'll link those down below if you're interested in taking a look at those. We also had these little fairy lights. There's only 10 lights in the package, so if you are doing a small container, I guess those could work very nicely. Dollar Tree also carries a lot of little pebbles, which I find useful to sometimes add to some of my fairy gardens. So here are the items I got today. And this gnome is still my absolute favorite. Isn't he adorable? And he swings because he's got little ropes so he can move. So I also got this house, and it's not to scale, so I'm not sure that I'll use it with this set exactly, but I still like it. I love the pink cherry blossoms. Now here you can see them. These are a little bit more to scale. I love these little bird baths. I'm not sure if I captured that in the store, but I really love all the 3 baths. Each one of them has a different bird. Actually, that one has a ladybug. And they do stand up nicely. And I got the set of 3 mushrooms. These are some larger mushrooms. And that one does not really stand up very well. But I think I can put something under it and that will help it stand up more sturdy. Maybe dig it into the ground. And this one's cute, but I don't like the purple color because there's no really purple mushrooms, I think. And this little leaf is adorable. Not quite sure what it is, just a leaf with a little teensy tiny frog on it. So I like it. It's super cute. And then the bench is another one of my absolute favorites. It's just got a lot of cute detail, and I love the pink cherry blossoms on it. So you can hop on to dollartree.com and you can check out some of their other fairy garden items. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.